Hello everyone, welcome back to ServiceNow with Sky.
In today's session, we're going through ServiceNow CSA Delta practice questions.
If you're preparing for the Certified System Administrator Delta exam, this session is designed to help you revise core platform concepts quickly and effectively.
These questions focus on key CSA topics like update sets, instance scan, compare tools, XML structure, and best practices.
As we go through each question, pause the video and try answering before we reveal the correct answer.
By the end of this session, you should feel more confident, more prepared, and more exam ready.
All right, let's get started with our CSA Delta practice session. Question 1. What is the purpose of merging update sets in ServiceNow? A. Create a parent with scoped children for a release. B. Combine records from several sets into a single set. C. Convert XML to JSON before import. D. Link update sets across instances for real-time sync.
Correct answer is B. Combine records from several sets into a single set.
Question 2. Which capabilities are associated with compare tools for conflict resolution? Choose 2 answers. A. Rollback update set. B. Show update history. C. Scan update set. D. Preview local and remote sets. E. Identify duplicate or competing records.
Correct answers are D. Preview local and remote sets, and E. Identify duplicate or competing records.
Question 3. What does Instant Scan evaluate? Choose 2 answers. A. Risk patterns. B. Best practice violations. C. SLA breach counts. D. User login frequency. E. License consumption tiers.
Correct answers are A. Risk patterns, and B. Best practice violations.
Question 4. What is the purpose of marking an update set as ignore in production after committing? A. To compress its XML for storage. B. To prevent reapplication during a future retrieve. C. To automatically roll back changes. D. To remove it from the history of changes.
Correct answer is B. To prevent reapplication during a future retrieve.
Question 5. Which activity is identified as an ideal use of update sets? A. Managing user passwords across instances. B. Migrating incident data between instances. C. Storing and applying specific versions of applications. D. Scheduling discovery scans.
Correct answer is C. Storing and applying specific versions of applications. Question 6. Which action is explicitly warned against because it can damage the system? A. Rolling back from the default update set.
B. Setting an update set to complete. C. Exporting an update set to XML. D. Viewing differences against current versions.
Correct answer is A. Rolling back from the default update set.
Question 7. Which record types are automatically captured by the current update set? Choose 2 answers. A. User password records. B. UI policies. C. Business rules. D. Incident task data.
Correct answers are B. UI policies and C. Business rules.
Question 8. What action do administrators perform when inspecting an update set? A. Run a full instance clone. B. Export user roles to CSV. C. View differences against current versions. D. Trigger discovery schedules.
Correct answer is C. View differences against current versions.
Question 9. Which tasks do a user perform when inspecting and reporting on update sets? Choose 2 answers. A. Export update sets to CSV. B. Compare content with the target instance to spot conflicts. C. Review the update set logs table. D. Browse included updates and drill into individual records.
Correct answers are B. Compare content of the target instance to spot conflicts, and D. Browse included updates and drill into individual records.
Question 10. Which format is used to represent update sets? A. JSON. B. CSV. C. YAML. D. XML.
Correct answer is D. XML.
Question 11. Which is listed as a component contained within an update set? A. User session tokens. B. The records changed as update records. C. Mid-server credentials. D. Attachment binaries in records.
Correct answer is B. The records changed as update records.
Question 12. What is the correct order of steps for moving completed update sets between instances? A. Export or retrieve from instance A. Commit in instance B, preview in instance B, import in instance B. B. Import in instance A, commit in instance B, preview in instance B, export in instance B. C. Retrieve from instance A, commit in instance B, preview in instance B, import in instance B. D. Export from instance A, import or retrieve into instance B, preview in instance B, commit in instance B. Correct answer is D. Export from instance A, import or retrieve into instance B, preview in instance B, commit in instance B. Question 13. Which components does an update set contain? Choose two answers. A. The configuration deltas. B. Plugin activation history. C. Mid-server connection details. D. User session audit logs. E. Status and metadata for retrieval, preview, and commit. Correct answers are A. The configuration deltas, and E. Status and metadata for retrieval, preview, and commit. Question 14. What is an update set? A. A mechanism for cloning entire instances. B. A data archival utility for CMDB records. C. Containers for configuration changes that track changes to tables. D. A runtime engine for Workflow Studio executions.
Correct answer is C. Containers for configuration changes that track changes to tables.
And that wraps up today's ServiceNow CSA Delta practice session.
If you answered most of the questions correctly, that's a strong sign you're well prepared for the Certified System Administrator Delta exam.
And if you missed a few, that's perfectly normal. Reviewing and practicing is exactly how you improve.
Every revision session builds stronger fundamentals, and strong fundamentals are what help you pass the CSA exam with confidence.
If this video helped you, please like and share it with others preparing for the ServiceNow CSA certification.
And don't forget to subscribe to Sky Shorts for more ServiceNow CSA practice questions and exam-focused content.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next ServiceNow with Sky session.